Nicest, efficient way to get result tuple of sequence items fulfilling and not fulfilling condition. This is professional best practice / pattern interest, not homework request. Input, any unordered sequence or generator items. Function myFilter item returns true if filter condition is fulfilled. Output, filter_true, filter_false, tuple of sequences of original type which contain the elements partitioned according to filter in original sequence order. How would you express this without doing double filtering, or should I use double filtering? Maybe filter and loop / generator / list comprehension with next could be answer. Should I take out the requirement of keeping the type, or just change requirement giving tuple of tuple / generator results? I cannot return easily generator for generator input, or can I? The requirements are self-made. Here test of best candidate at the moment, offering 2 streams instead of tuple.
Here is a way to do it which only calls myFilter once for each item and will also work if myList is a generator.
Let's suppose that your problem is not memory but CPU. myFilter is heavy and you don't want to iterate and filter the original dataset twice. Here are some single pass ideas. The simple and versatile version, memoryverse. The memory-friendly version doesn't work with generators, unless used with list items. The generator-friendly version.
The easy way, but less efficient, is to T the iterable and filter both of them. This is less efficient than the optimal solution, because myFilter will be called repeatedly for each element. That is, if you have tested an element and left, you shouldn't have to retest it and write because you already know the answer. If you require this optimization, it shouldn't be hard to implement. Have a look at the implementation of T for clues. You'll need a deck for each returned iterable which you stock with the elements of the original sequence that should go in it but haven't been asked for yet.